I
all
don't know.
love,
I
man.
mean, I'll be seeing what y'all be eating online.
You mean
So
what you be eating?
Not
y'all be
me.
doing, you know what
What
I
you
Not
be
mean?
me.
eating?
You know what I'm saying?
What you be eating?
Not me.
Not you,
Yo,
and
you
you with the
Oh,
green
so why you
hat.
say yeah, but you throwing
right,
shots at
You
Ant? You know what
too.
I'm
right, right.
saying? Not
You
me.
Yo,
too. You be in
Not me.
Teslas
Nah,
like,
nah,
oh,
nah,
I'm
nah,
going
nah,
over
nah.
to the north side of Cali or
Nah,
whatever other
nah,
side of
this dude
Cali you
capping
going.
right now. You so
Calabasas.
capping right now.
I'm going to Calabasas. This
You
dude,
nah.
yo, Switch be fine.
Yo.
JV, like, oh,
Mira, lo
I'm going to
reprenda, mentira
Jamaica.
en el nombre
Yo,
de
I'm
Jesús.
going to Belize.
Yo,
Hey,
what's the
wait a
Bible say
minute.
about
Wait a
lying,
minute.
bro?
Wait a minute.
what?
I said I will put up the money.
For what?
So don't come over here with that.
You
To
think? Oh
bring
yeah, because
anybody
it's
on.
116. That's why.
Oh, because 116, yeah.
Oh,
But
I
see,
see
because
him.
his bags is heavy. You
Don't
saw
put
that?
him
You
in the
saw-
nominate. Don't make him a nominee. Like, don't let him be in a nominee committee because he's picking all 116.
Oh, you
116,
Yeah,
oh,
yeah.
you trying to say there's biases in this stuff?
I'm just saying.
Oh, okay.
If
Oh,
you was
no,
Nah,
on, it, definitely
nobody
biased.
from 116 was nominated, were they?
Yeah, Hovey.
Oh, Hovey
And one
was?
day.
Oh, yeah, I did see one day. That's right. That's right.
But
I forgot.
yeah,
about
I don't know. Switch. You just had like a tomahawk steak the other day.
Yo, this dude be capping, bro. Like this dude
Oh,
just came back from vacation. Like, come on, son. Like,
Eating
don't
good
do that.
too.
Don't do that. Yo,
Yo, I had to eat
you
ramen noodles. I had to eat
Yo.
ramen noodles after that vacation. I'm
Come
eating
on,
ramen.
son.
I'm eating
Wow.
ramen noodles.
Hey, your man, what's his name? Dave Ramsey warned you about that though.
Oh, talk to him.
¿Quién te mandó?
Talk to him.
Ramsey.
¿Quién te mandó? You know what I'm
Talk to
saying?
him.
Like, you look at my stories. Ain't no steak, ain't no lobster. You know what I'm saying? I'm making pinches in the backyard. You know what I mean? With some glizzies. Yo, like.
With some glizzies.
Ain't no gourmet stuff over here, son.
Yo, you know what I had in Florida?
me.
I had
What you had?
tamales.
Oh, what you
This dude
thinking?
went all the
From
way
where?
to
Hold on.
Florida.
Hold on. What kind of tamales from where?
A Mexican
From
spot.
Florida. From Florida.
Okay.
All right, so look, I was
What
going
Florida?
to blast.
Florida's
I
not
was
even
gonna
next to
blast the whole
Mexico.
South America. I was going.
It is though.
I was gonna blast all the South Americans. Like, yo, what's up? Because they been hyping tamales are better than pasteles.
No, they're
They're
not.
just
No,
as
they're
good. Da,
they're
da,
not.
da, da. So I go
No,
to
they're
this
not.
Mexican spot. I'm like, let me have some tamales for my first.
Yo, switch. Hold up, real quick.
You threw them back?
do realize that Mexico is not in South America, right?
No, I do know that, but I'm saying
Okay.
y'all hype up tamales like the South Americans always hyping up tamales.
Right.
And so I go and I have these tamales, and them joints were dry.
Right.
They're
But
mad dry.
Lester told me Lester's
Shout out to Les.
Honduran. I think Lester's Honduran. And he said, "Nah, man, the Mexican tamales are trash." And yo, no offense to no one out there who's Mexican, but I had them. I didn't like them. They were dry.
Hey,
You know what I'm saying?
Pasteles are
No, but
killing
yo,
them,
no. It's all good because that's what they say. That's what they say about pasteles,
Pasteles?
right?
No,
They wildin'. They can't say that.
No. I'm saying like they say like that pasteles are trash. So for you to say that tamales are trash is fair. Like everybody has their own opinion, right? When it comes to food. I personally don't like Mexican tamales. I never will.
Yo, them joints, they look like pasteles, right? Until you open them up.
Yeah, but no, not really because they use the corn husk.
Yeah, right.
So right away, you know that the packaging is all wrong. The packaging is all wrong. Like y'all using corn husk, son. Like this, you brought me the wrong thing. This is not mine. I didn't order this. You know what I mean? Like you wrapped this the wrong way, so you already know it's gonna be dry. Like I'm from Central America and El Salvador and all of Central America. They use the banana leaf. They wrap it in the banana leaf.
Mm-hmm.
We don't use because y'all use plátano, right? Y'all use guineo.
Oh, we use yuca too.
Yuca,
Yuca too.
Yuca.
Yeah, yuca
Oh, yeah,
too. I tried the first yuca. I tried the Dominican one. Dominicans use yuca. I tried that in Queens. I was like, yo, what's this? I killed that joint.
For our non-Hispanic speaking people, it's called a waxed yam.
That's what it's called. That's what a patela is, a wax yam.
No. Yuca.
Oh,
Yuca's
yuca.
waxy.
Oh, I was gonna say what?
Yeah.
Nah, that ain't right. That ain't right. So you thought it was trash. So what'd you do? You sent it back?
Nah,
Yeah,
I
he
ate
said,
it.
"Yo,
I
you
ate it.
ate it? What you had?
Yeah.
Mad water?
No, it was dry.
It was like you
Exactly.
was eating sand.
Oh,
you had mad water?
yeah. Nah, it was. I just ate it.
Nah, he had
I
it with
mean,
Henny.
You would've
I
choked
was
out.
trying to I was trying to compare it to
You see, he didn't
pateles,
deny it either.
and
Nah.
it was not nothing what pateles taste like.
It's not the
Right,
same,
right.
bro.
Yeah, it's
Nah,
totally
you gotta approach it
different.
differently. It's different. Yeah,
Yeah.
totally different.
So I want to
Whole
go.
different vibe.
I want to try from a Salvadorian or Honduran restaurant or someone.
It's-
Not
well,
even
I'm
a
gonna
restaurant.
tell you right
You know
now.
what? Not
I'm gonna
even
tell
a
you right now.
restaurant. I want homemade.
It's not gonna taste like a pastel. Number
not.
one, right off
Don't
the bat, it's
compare it.
different. It's way
Don't
different. So
compare it.
you can't compare. You gotta approach it with an open mind
They
because
use corn, right?
they
Is
use
it-
corn. It's not made out of plátano. So off
Okay.
the bat, it's not gonna taste the same.
But
But
have
it's not
y'all
gonna be dry though. It's not gonna be dry. I
have
promise
you
you that.
ever had good tamales?
Brike did. Says her grandma makes them. Oh,
You know, so
I'm gonna
She
need
says-
grandma to send me something, yo.
yeah.
Next
So
day.
my wife's
Overnight.
my wife's cousins
Yeah.
are half Mexican, and their grandma comes here often, and she
Mhm.
makes them, and
Are
they've
they
the
good?
best tamales I've ever had.
Really?
Yeah.
Why they better than pateles?
No.
No. Not personally, no.
No, but they're good. But no.
Yeah.
Yo, hold up. What part? Do you know what part of Mexico she's from?
She's
Jalisco.
from Puebla. Yeah, Jalisco. There you go.
How you know that, bro? You know her?
Nah, I just
That's
threw
like
that out
asking the
there.
Dominican where they from. The
Santiago.
capital.
Well, I'm literally from Santiago, so
See?
Exactly.
Boom, yo, just give me a dart. I'll just hit right on the map.
So the reason why I ask is because I know that in the southern border of Mexico, they make the tamales a little bit different. They make it more like Central American tamales. So
On the
that's why I was
southern
asking.
border.
Yeah.
Mm.
So like all of Central America, I don't know about Belize, but I know like Guatemala, Honduras, Panama, El Salvador. They all make them the same. They all use they use corn, but they use the banana leaf so they're wet.
Mm.
You know,
I
so
don't know,
they
man.
taste very similar.
So what do you like, Jimmy? What's your preference? Pateles or
Pateles,
tamales?
yo.
Nah, I like them both. I like them both. To be
You
honest,
can't talk all of that and then say he like tamales.
I like tamales, but I like tamales from El Salvador. I don't like tamales from Mexico.
Oh,
I'll never eat a tamal from Mexico, ever.
never,
Ever.
yo. Damn.
Ever. Like I could be dying of hunger, and I will not eat a tamal from Mexico,
Wow,
bro.
you
lying.
wildin'.
I promise you. I'll eat a taco.
You
I'll eat
some
a- I'll
mole?
kill- I'll
You
kill some
mole?
taco. Nah, I ain't messing with no mole either, bro.
What about a chimichanga?
Nah, I'm good, bro.
Chimichanga.
I'll kill some
Chimichanga.
tacos. I'll
I'm
kill some
dead.
tacos. I ain't
I'm
doing that.
Deadpool when it comes to them chimichangas.
Yo,
kid.
them chimichangas are banging.
Heck yeah.
Murder chimichanga.
Yo, I don't even know. Is that like a real Mexican dish or is that like an American joint?
I don't
You got
even
me
know.
there. I don't know.
Well, I mean,
Listen,
they were in the Mexican restaurant, so
they were on
I'm
the
assuming-
menu.
No, it's Tex-Mex. It's Tex-Mex. According to Google,
Oh,
it's
Tex-Mex.
What that
So
mean?
it's-
That mean it's Mexicans from Texas?
That means
Yeah,
it's
yeah, yeah.
gentrified. It's gentrified.
Yo, Benny
It's
from the
gentrified
Bronx.
Mexican food.
Yo, Benny from the Bronx tastes good to me. You know, you know what I'm
But
saying?
it's not. It's not. Pernil is still a Puerto Rican dish. It's not a Bronx dish. This is right here saying that
Oh,
it's
like
more
they
of a-
made it up. So
Yeah, they made it up.
Okay.
They like remixed the joint.
They're
you know
like
what I'm saying?
Taco Bell, son.
Oh, they did his
Right,
dirty.
right. Like Taco Bell, right? That's not
I love a
Mexican.
Taco Bell.
Like the
though.
Right.
chalupa. Now the best thing is the chalupa.
Chalupa. Ooh.
I never had either one.
Oh, the
of them.
Dorito. I like the Dorito Locos.
I don't like Doritos, yo. I hate Doritos.
What?
I'm like a bag of feet, yo.
Wow.
Yo, chalupa, according to Google, chalupa is a real dish.
Yeah, but it's not the same as Taco Bell.
No, it's different.
Yeah. Because I tried to order that one time and it was like, oh, yeah, what's this?
Yeah, this ain't what I ordered.
You better get that shell from Taco Bell.
Yo, Taco Bell be having people confused, bro.
No, they messed everything up. Now they
That's-
confusing more people because they got an anime commercial for taco food.
That's funny.
Yo, man, confused.
Yeah, I don't mess with that. I do like pasteles though. But see, my wife, she doesn't like pasteles. She doesn't like
What?
she doesn't like Salvadorian tamales, but she likes Mexican tamales.
Oh man,
Wow.
bless you. God bless
Yeah.
you for putting up with that. Yo.
Does she have like a specific spot where she gets it from that she likes it?
Nah, she liked the so the Mexicans got these sweet tamales, right? There's like sweet corn. And so those are the ones she
better.
like. Those are the only ones she likes is the sweet corn tamales. She doesn't eat any of the other ones.
Yo, she like pupusas?
Yeah, but she don't really rock. She'll eat one, but like if we go to a salvi spot, she won't get a pupusa. She'll get something else. She'll get like a steak or something like that.
They be having the gorditas, right?
No, we don't do gorditas. No, that's Mexico. They do gorditas.
Because they use that same type of
dough. Yeah. It's a little different though. It's a little different, but yeah.